Hi Bearcats, this is Paz Moran bringing this week's Ticker Update. CUNY released its 2026 Sexual Violence Campus Climate Survey to all students and faculty in an email blast on February 5th. This comes after two previous email blasts about a system-wide reimplementation of the 2020 policy on sexual misconduct and a notice of a new CUNY Guardian portal for reporting incidents of sexual misconduct, discrimination, and retaliation. According to the survey landing page, it is designed to assess students and faculty's perceptions of campus safety, access to information and resources about sexual harassment and sexual violence, understanding of affirmative consent, knowledge of university policies and practices, and experiences with sexual harassment and sexual violence on their campus or at off-campus CUNY-affiliated events. The New York State legislature recently introduced a bill that would make it more apparent when companies and journalists use artificial intelligence to create news content. With the goal of preserving journalistic integrity and preventing the spread of misinformation, the New York Fundamental Artificial Intelligence Requirements in News Act would require disclaimers on news articles, videos, and images generated using a substantial amount of AI. The New York Fair News Act is a step in the right direction to ensure readers understand how content is produced and better assess its credibility at a time when AI is used to manipulate facts regarding real news events. CUNY startups will host a competition for student entrepreneurs to pitch their ideas and display business startup strategies for a chance to win a cash prize. The CUNY Clash is targeted towards student business innovators who are ready to present their product or business ideas to a larger audience. The format of this pitch competition involves the collaboration of 26 CUNY colleges to provide innovative ideas. It also includes solving real-world problems to compete and win monetary prizes. On February 8th, the NFL hosted Super Bowl 60. For this year's halftime show, Bad Bunny was the headline performer in San Francisco. With just 13 minutes of live television during the NFL's most anticipated game of the season, Bad Bunny has made history for the Latino community. For years, researchers have tested immune-based therapies in clinical trials to help the body recognize and fight cancer. In patients with metastatic disease, however, those immune responses often fade, and building a long-lasting protection has been difficult. Against this backdrop, a news analyst of a decades-old breast cancer trial points to a rare and unexpected finding: durable immune memory linked to long-term survival. Team Fluff won Puppy Bowl 22 with a score of 73-69 over Team Rough. The game was back and forth in the terms of scoring, with Team Rough having a 6-point lead over Team Fluff at half. But in the end, Team Fluff rallied and won. You can find all these stories and more at theticker.org. That's all for this week, Bearcats. Join us next time.